Hello friends, and welcome back. We are doing another unboxing, and today we are checking out this handy dandy handheld KTV karaoke wireless microphone hi-fi speaker. Alright, FM radio, sing songs, selfie, USB devices, TF card, record songs. It does all kinds of cool stuff here. You can pick this up off Amazon for about $17, and I will leave a link in the description below. Alright, oh my goodness. Bullets all blinged out. Wow. Look at that thing. Okay. I'm going to open this up. Break anything. Okay, it needs some batteries, possibly. It's got all kinds of gadgets on this little guy. Let's see if we got any instructions here. Okay, so it comes with a little USB charger, I imagine, first. Alright, so operations, hold the on-off button. Sometimes these things come with a charge, sometimes not. Okay. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it has a charge right now, so I'm not going to be able to turn this bad boy on. Or is it on? Doesn't look like it anyways. Okay, so that is the microphone. This is just the unboxing, so it looks like it has, oh my goodness. So some of the buttons on here is previous scan, volume up, volume down, record, next, microphone volume, and remix. And then some of the inputs on the back here. You got USB recording, auxiliary, a TF card, and audio out looks like. So that is it. It looks pretty cool. This is a little, maybe a little sharp here on the bottom. I don't think it's gonna like cut me, but it just feels like a little, like there should be like a rubber part on there. I don't know. But that is that. There's the microphone, my friends. Definitely looks kind of blingy for sure. Is that a word? Can I use that? I'm not sure. I just did. So kind of excited to check this out, see what kind of tunes it is. I'm not really the greatest singer. I might even not sing, but I might just for fun. Why not? Anyways, that's the unboxing, my friends. I will be doing a demonstration and a review later on, so stay tuned for that. And as always, I will leave the link in the description below. You can check it out on Amazon. Thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. I will see you soon. Have a great day out there.